Panchayat to Parliament. That is why I decided, when we decided them to protect their country and give them rifles, why can't we give a strength to see that the democracy is being protected? They should have a right to vote a MLA. They should have a right to vote a Panchayat, a Parliament member. They should have a right to vote a Panchayat member. They should have a right to vote a corporation member. This is what I believe with the youngsters. So these youngsters will have to create a new step and to this entire country. So I have taken a decision that these youngsters will definitely rule this country some point of time. That means they not only become the leaders, their decisions should be the important place in the destiny of this country. That is why Rajiv Gandhi said, and the bill was being passed. What I am trying to tell you, you are the youths. As Mr. Bala said, people like me are the examples. Today, 73rd, 74th Amendment is there. What is the 73rd Amendment? That is the Panchayat elections, the Jilla Panchayat election, Taluk Panchayat election, municipality election, corporation elections. Today in Bangalore, I have created 5 corporations. You will not, there are only 198 ones. A day has come. Minimum 500 to 600 leaders, new leaders will be born. Today Raminga Reddy is here, Suresh Kumar is here, Somanna is here, one Raghu from BJP is here, Rajendra that Suresh Kumar is here. Who are there? They are the MLAs. They grew as a corporates from the corporation. Myself, after becoming MLA candidate in 1985, myself, Vinay Kumar sir, we both, I lost the election. Then I contested Jilla Panchayat election in 87, Jilla Panchayat election. I became a Jilla Panchayat member. Now I am here continuously after becoming a Jilla Panchayat. 8 times I have been here, sitting as the constitution. I was a district NSPO president, then the district youth Congress president. When I was a minister, when I was a district youth Congress president, I was being appointed as a minister in Bangalore. That means Rajiv Gandhi believed we were 2 people, myself and Chikkegoda, we are from the same district. He said, whatever may be, in every community there should be one new leader should be appointed. He should be grown in every community. That is how we all became the ministers for at the younger age. Then now we are sitting here. What I am trying to tell you is, today whatever Rahul Gandhi has taken at call, it is not for himself, it is for all of you. You should know who is your booth. If you are not able to convert your booth into a strength, then party can't come.
निरीक्षण पूर्णेण गत्वा विषय ब्रह्म नाश